basically ito, bilang pang-ending po natin. I just want to share to you something na natutunan ko over the experience that I've learned in this business. At base din po sa pag-observe ko po sa mga taong naging successful, I found out that they know something that is very obvious, but yet hindi natin nalala. Today, I want to talk about the secret of big returns. Pwede nyo ba sabihin? The secret of big returns.
Yes.
And yung message ko po for today is, give your all. Pwede mo ba sabihin sa katabi mo, give your all?
Give your all.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, give your all.
Give your all.
For tonight. Itong itatalk ko po today or tonight is hindi po para sa lahat. Okay lang? Because if you are a kind of person na kontento na sa kinikita mo ngayon, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na kontento na sa kung ano meron mo ngayon, kung ikaw po yung tao na kontento na sa kung anong downline meron mo ngayon, this is not for you. But if you are a type of person na katulad ko po has a dream, who wants to have a big return, who wants to have a big harvest, who wants to have yung big success, then this is for you. Pwede mo nga sabihin sa ulit, sa katabi mo para sa ito kaibigan. Para sa ito kaibigan, nakasan nyo? I want to share you the secret, alright, of big returns. So, alam nyo, when we look at around us, meron tayong makikita mga taong successful, tama? Alam mo, pag pinapansin mo sila, meron sa kanilang common. May mga tao na ginagawa yung best nila, ginagawa yung super hard work nila, yung everything nila binibigay nila. Alam mo kung ano tawag sa mga tao yun? Alam niyo kung ano? They are called champions.
Yes.
So, tanong, champions ba kayo?
Yes.
Gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo yung sample ng mga champions. Aralin natin, okay lang? Sabay-sabay tayo mag-aaral. Alam niyo, nakita ko to. Actually, kagabi habang nag-iisip ako kung anong gusto kong ibigay sa inyo, I was able to look at this person. So, both of us know na si Manny Pacquiao is a best boxer in the world, tama?
Yes.
Alam natin na siya, when it comes to the ring, lahat natatalo niya, tama?
Yes.
Pero we don't know, ang hindi natin nakikita is, what is the story behind pag nasa labas siya. Alam niyo, personally, gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Ako kaya ko mag-sit-ups na 10. 10. Okay, 10. One time, naalala ko, share ko, yung ex ko dati, magkasama kami sa isang kwarto, ilang sit-ups. Gusto ko siyang i-impress. Sa isip ko, gusto ko magpa-impress sa kanya, I want to do a 30 sit-ups. You know what? Tanungin mo ako, ano na pala ako?
Ano pala?
Hanggang 20 lang ako. Sa pang 21 ko, sumakit yung tiyan ko, parang halos kailangan buhatin na ako. Ganun kahirap. Ang point ko is, alam niyo ba, do you have any idea kung gaano karami ang sit-ups na ginagawa ni Manny Pacquiao? Anyone guess? 1,000? 100?
9,000.
Ano yung pagkasagot? Manny Pacquiao is doing, according to the research now, 3,000 sit-ups per day. No wonder, itong taong to, whenever time magte-training siya, gigising siya, according to the research na ginawa ko, 5 a.m. gigising siya, alright? 4 p.m. matatapos siya. You know what, according to his coach, Freddie Roach, sabi ng trainer, according to his trainer, Manny Pacquiao has a tendency to overtrain. Kaya minsan daw, si Coach Roach na mismo, ang pumipigil kay Pacquiao. Guys, what's the point? No wonder this guy is a champion in the field of boxing because he knows the magic of big returns. And he knows, what's the secret? Ano? Giving your all. Sabihin mo sa tabi mo, kaya mo mag-sit up sa 3,000? Kaya ba? Mahirap, di ba? Pero he's champion. Second, kilala niyo ba bang taong to? He is Larry Bird. Larry Bird is known as one of the legends sa history ng NBA. Kung pag-aaralan po natin yung buhay ni Larry Bird, kilala po siya sa karakteristik na pag tumitira siya ng basketball, yung mga lalaki, di ba? Pag tumitira po siya ng basketball, without even trying to look at the ball, nakakashoot po siya. It seems like pag tumitira siya, parang nakaprogram yung kamay niya shoot. Alam nyo, kung iisipin nyo, meron pa siyang isang ginagawa. Dito na uso yun, pag-lay up siya, ililipat niya, tapos ililipat, sa kanya po nanggaling yan. Kung papansin natin, it's like a magic, tama? But you know what? It's not magic. Alam nyo ano guys? It's practice. Ang life story po ni Larry Bird, according to my research, after pala nito mag-train, after the basketball, after the game, yung mga kasama niya, nag-alisa na. Pumunta na sa lockers, naligo na, alam mo siya? Anong ginagawa niya? Ask me ano?
Hello.
Papatira siya, or naiiwan siya sa court, at ang ginagawa niya is this. Pinapatay yung ilaw, sinukuha yung bola, at nag-shoot in the perimeter for 30 minutes. In a semi-darkness mode. Ibig sabihin guys madilim, shoot. Here's the crazy thing. Here's the best part. Larry Bird, after na shooting, pupunta sa 3-point perimeter area, he will get the ball, he will shoot, and he will close his eyes.
Yes.
Kaya yun. No wonder this guy is a champion in the basketball because he knows the magic of big returns. And that is the power of giving your own. Sa pang example, are you familiar with this person?
Yes.
Gary V, right? All of us know na si Gary V is a very talented person because hindi na siya nanalo ng Awit Awards. Actually, nanalo siya eh. He's one of the parang na-awardan sa Awit Awards as a best male performer. But alam niyo ba, hindi lang siya once na-awardan? Not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times. Alam mo kung how many times? Ask me how many times?
How many times?
11 times. Awit Awards. And both of us know na itong taong to, he has may sakit, which is the diabetes. Alam niyo ba? According to the research ko, this guy, may diabetes, he already had 90,000 insulin injections in his body. But according to reports, nung kinausap siya, Mr. Gary V, bakit pure energy ka? Despite the fact na that you have this kind of illness, alam mo, sagot niya, very positive. Sabi niya kasi, even diabetes cannot stop me. Alam mo, sabi niya, when every time this guy performs in the stage, all of his effort, all of his talent, all of his energy, ibubuhos niya. That's why he's a pure energy. No wonder this guy is a champion in the entertainment world because he knows the secret of big returns. And what is that? The magic of giving your all. Tama? Last. Etong taong to, kilala niyo po? Jackie Chan. Kilala ba siya?
Yes.
Not only in Hollywood, but not only in Hollywood, but also in, saan po? In Hong Kong. Kaya siya malupit, at kaya siya kilala. Yun kung bakit? Dahil itong mamang to, nag-appear po siya sa Guinness Book of Records twice. Alam niyo po ba yun? First, na nag-appear siya sa Guinness Book of Records is, he won the most stunts of a living actor. Alam naman natin, pag si Jackie Chan nag-act, wala po yung double. Ibig sabihin, siya yung most stunts. Kaya siya napasok sa Guinness Book of Records. Ang dali niyo ba, for your information, ni isang insurance company, wala pong gustong tumanggap sa kanya. Dahil kada palabas niya po, nag-i-injure siya, nababali yung buto, nababali yung pelvis, nababasag yung ilong, hindi naman napuputol, joke lang, nababali yung mga parte ng katawan. Now, if you will look at this closely, kung naisip yun, gusto niyo ba maging Jackie Chan? Pero mayaman ka.
Yes.
Tama? Another thing. Second time niya nag-appear sa Guinness Book of Record is siya po yung nagkaroon ng most takes of a scene. Alam niyo yung parang rapper, di ba nagkamali? Take 1, take 2, take 25. Tama? Jackie Chan, for every scene, hindi niya po ginagawa ng 25. Alam niyo kung ilan? Ask me how many?
How many?
Per scene, ang ginagawa po ni Jackie Chan is 2,900 takes per scene. Guys, imagine a scene. Like ako naglakad, pumunta dito, that's a scene. 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's gone. Makalimutan mo na scene. But Jackie Chan repeated it 2,900 times. Why? Because he wanted to be perfect. He wanted to become excellent. Now ask your katabi, sabihin mo nga, nakapag-RBP ka na ba ng 2,900 times? Sabihin mo sa katabi. Nakapag-flyers ka na ba? Nakapag-invite ka na ba ng 2,900 times?
Yes.
No wonder this guy is a big. No wonder this guy is a champion. Bakit? He knows the secret. Giving your all. Huwag na tayo lumayo, guys. Ito na pong huli. Are you familiar with this person?
Yes.
Tama? You look at him, bulol siya, hindi siya marunong magsalita. Bakit siya top 1? You know what? I found out according to my pakikipagkalantari sa kanya, pakipagsama sa kanya, I found out that our upline, Ernest Salazar, is doing, guys take note, at least 10 RBPs per day. 10 RBPs per day, so that's 70 RBPs per week. No wonder, this guy is a member of movers and shakers reward. He earned $1 million because he knows the secret. And what is that? Giving your all. Now friends, what's the bottom line? Parang gano'n lang yan. Ang bottom line, all of them, different industry, they did their best. Na kung ikaw yung tipong sinasabi ko na if you want to earn big, if you want to be successful in reality, dapat we need to give our best. Tama mali? We need to give our best. Kaya minsan may nakikita ako, nag-invite lang din na hindi na-reject. Isang best lang yun. Tama? Nag-RDP lang, di nag-pay na. Ang hirap na kuya. Bakit? Ilan naman may RDP niya. Pero bottom line, dapat give natin best. Now question, gusto niyo ba maging successful?
Yes.
Ask kamay. Sino gusto maging successful? My question is, do you want to give your all?
Yes.
Are you willing to give our all?
Yes.
Yun po yung bottom line ng message po natin.